You say you're mine, girl. Hold me in my time. These days such a time, girl. Things so hard to find. Someday when we're free, deep in love, how not to say when we will remember things we said today. Hey, I'm just so lucky and love to hear you say that love is love. Though we may be blind, love is here to stay. That's good enough to take me home. Be the only one. Love me all the time. You'll know. Even if you just go the slightest bit off of it. It's gonna be right, it's gonna be right there.
I gotta put some EQ on that. Wait a second. Check 1, 2. Check.
If it's easy, you just take it and hold it in your hands. If it's easy.
Yeah, I can do that.
Yeah, just press the clip. Yeah. This might be easier for you.
Yeah, maybe if it looks straight into.
I hear myself in the mains. Check 1, 2. And I have lots of wine. Oh, what happened? Oh shit, I lost all the monitors. What the fuck happened there? Nice. Nice. All right.
Joe, don't trip.
I haven't had any issues with monitors yet. Check 1, 2. Yeah, I killed the monitors. That's my fault. I don't know how I did that, but I did. 4, 5.
I have to make one.
I pressed the wrong button, is what happened. And I thought I had saved it. Just for that reason. But then they changed it, and then it recalled, and then whatever.
He went, ooh, what does this button do?
Well, I was trying to find the monitor. I was trying to find the check. Check 1, 2, check 1, 2, check 1, 2. 6 is the bass. We already got that. Alright. Because I had some EQ on there too. Did I lose that too? I did. I'm sorry. That's why I did this. It's not quite as smooth as I hoped.
It's smoother than I thought it would be.
That's what she said. I think she did say that. I just heard her. Check 1, 2. Check 1, 2. Check 1, 2. And store. No. Scene store. Check 1, 2. You can hear the monitor now, right?
Yeah.
All right, play me another song.
Let's try this mic over here.
tree?
Where's Wayne?
We lost Wayne.
Might have went to the restaurant.
Then it'll be out of the tree.
Check 1, 2, check. Sounds alright to me.
Let's go.
Let's go. Oh, something needs a little mid-range thing there. Doesn't it?
Are you coming out of the mains?
I think so.
Yeah. I didn't know if I was just hearing you out of this.
Check 1, 2.
Let's hear it.
Take off your shoes and
I'll put them away.
there's nothing in this world you won't see. And you enjoy your company. Maybe from way up here you see the grass of green.
Okay, got it.
You know.
Oh, Beatles songs.
You know Beatles song,
I know
right?
lots of Beatles songs. Okay, okay. What key is that in?
In my life as an A.
I think it is. Shot, huh? Oh, you know, I gotta do that. Three, four, close your eyes. I'll pretend
Yeah, the bass is low. I think you have to hear it. I can have to hear it.
Huh?
I have to hear the bass. I don't know.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. I didn't feel like you could hear it. I mean, I've got more headroom for the board. I can push the seats.
It might be more of an EQ thing than a volume thing, because the room's a little boomy.
Yeah.
It is, yes.
So did they EQ everybody down? Good fun with that. So maybe you can do that though. You see
The
it.
room is so empty.
That's for sure.
Well, I don't know, he changed the set, so we don't know.
Stars shining bright above you. My voices seem to whisper, I love you. Birds singing in the apple tree. Dream of me. Day, night, and kiss me. Just hold me tight and tell me you'll miss me. Why I'm gonna do it. Dream of me. Starts raining, lightning, the road is still finding your kiss. I'm longing to linger for you. Just saying, sweet dreams of sunbeams from you. Sweet dreams that leave worries behind you. But in the dreams, whatever they be, dream a little dream of me. Heart's fading, but I linger on here, still craving your kiss. I'm longing to linger just saying, sweet dreams of sunbeams find you. Sweet dreams that leave all worries behind you. But in your dreams, whatever they be, dream a little dream of me.
The bass is kind of quiet, right?
It's better though. It's better than.
I don't know what you did at the end, but all of a sudden I can hear myself out of that one.
What's that? How much time do we have?
It's 7:01, so they're getting ready to.
No time.
Looks like they're starting to come out.
Color my world.
Color my world. Yeah. No, it's like color my Oh, I hurt myself.
Wayne, would you like to do Color My World?
If they're so willing, yeah.
Guys?
Get ready.
If they want to. Are they getting ready after that to end it?
Color My World?
Yeah, I know it's a sound check anyway.
They might be getting ready to go back.
Are you singing?
You guys have to.
That's up to you.
okay here? As time goes on, I realize just what you mean to me. And now nothing is that I'm waiting to share and embrace all our moments together. All of my world
Who's ringing? Who's ringing?
Ringing? Might be someone else.
We don't get too loud.